Hi, I'm Rainer, and welcome to my future new train room. So I moved into this house a week ago yesterday, so Monday of last week. And since then, of course, we've been busy unpacking things on the main floor. It's a two-story house plus the basement, so we've been trying to get everything ready in the living room and the kitchen and get all the bedrooms ready. And then I spent the weekend with my daughter building a dog run for the dog in the back and an extra set of small stairs off the deck, which then I had to build another gate at the other end of the deck so we can let the dog out and he can go out on the deck and then out into the dog run without running free in the yard. So I got that under control. And then today I've been working in the garage trying to organize my workshop. I've got a 32 by 40 foot workshop at the kind of a partway back on the property, and it's just full of boxes in every direction, just like this room is. And so anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick update that yes, I'm alive, I'm in the house, and there will be stuff happening in here soon. So I thought I'd just kind of show you the room very quickly, as beautiful as it is right now, complete with boxes everywhere. These horrible flickering fluorescent lights, which I'm thinking are probably flickering quite nicely on the video. Have some pot lights to put in to replace those stupid things. And other things in this room at the other end behind the camera, there's a gas fireplace here. This used to be a family room. And so I've got to get rid of that gas fireplace. One of the other things I want to change in this room is the floor is currently just, I guess, 12-inch vinyl tiles glued to the concrete floor. And at this time of the year and during the winter, it's very cold on the feet. So what I want to do is put in a dry core subfloor and then new flooring in here before I do anything else in the room. So I've got to fix the lighting situation. I've got to get rid of the gas fireplace, and then I've got to redo the flooring. And I've actually got to redo the flooring in here into the hallway, into the rest of the basement, and in the bathroom, and another room out there. So that's got to kind of be done at the same time, just so all the flooring matches level-wise. Once I get that kind of out of the way, then I can actually start working on the railroad in here. And this room is, well, to that wall down here where it butts in from the foundation is just under 12 feet, because the ceiling going across here is about 12 feet this way. And I think I've got 21 or 22 feet going this way in the room. Plus I've got this little room here. So the doorway into the room is right here. I also got to add a door there because it's just an opening right now. So my idea is to build a double deck layout around the room that basically starts here and wraps all the way around the room, goes up, and right here will be my desk. So right here will only be the upper deck going around. And then I'm going to have the helix in this room tucked into this corner. It will actually fit right in here. And then I can use that room for putting my spray booth in the other corner and some storage and things like that. So that's the overall plan for the room. It's a lot more room than I had for my previous layout, but I've got to get the room ready first. Planning on living here for a long time. We have no plans of moving anytime in the future. Who knows what the future will hold, but at this point, we have no plans of going anywhere else. So I want to do it right. I want to make it so it's a comfortable room before I start building the layout. So I got to get the lighting in fixed up. I got to get rid of the gas fireplace. It's going to would end up with a layout in front of it, which makes no sense at all. And then I've got to get the floor to the point where it's not going to be cold in the feet, and then I can actually start working in here. But before that, there's a whole pile of little things that I need to do around here, moving into the house and making it comfortable for the family. So just thought I'd give you a quick update that yes, things will be starting in here soon. And once I get going on the room, I'll give you another quick update on how things are progressing. And probably once I get the room kind of cleared out, I'll give you a better idea of what my layout plans. I do have some fairly detailed plans already done up on the computer of how I want this thing to look. But hopefully I can get the room ready a little bit better and get some better lighting in here, because this stuff is terrible. Until then, see you next time.